Welcome to this duplex penthouse, first line beach, Puente Romano. It contains 6 bedrooms, all en suite, and the total living space is around 450 square meters. We consider this to be the best penthouse in Spain and maybe also the best duplex penthouse to rent in whole Europe. We have the first bedroom in here, the ocean, and it also has a small terrace to just enjoy view, maybe have a evening drink or a morning drink. We have the second bedroom here on the first floor. All of them are decorated with the highest standards. The penthouse is being completely exclusive with 3SA and only offered by us as a rental object in Marbella. This is for an international family with high demands, which are used to travel on the best locations in the world and only looking for the absolutely best to spend their holidays. Completely quiet, you hear the ocean, it doesn't get much better than this. Chill out area, barbecue, of course we have a kitchen. You can have your private chef here. We have the third bedroom here, which is decorated with a style of ocean to feel like the atmosphere of where you actually are located. Marbella, the best destination in Europe, 2024, voted by over 1.3 million people. We also have a fourth bedroom here, which is the last one on this floor, also en suite, where we have 2 single beds, so we put them together as a double bed. There is no demands too small or too big. We always want to find the best solution for every possible client. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. This is something extraordinary. But first we take a look at the 5th bedroom, because it's located also on the 2nd floor, which makes it very convenient for a family if they have children, smaller children, or just like want to be close to each other. And here's the master. Have a look at this. Facing the sea, your own private terrace. You can separate completely for the rest of the family, or if you're 2 families, it's a different level. Even though you have the ocean here and you're in Puente Romano, so you have a community pool, you have all the best restaurants just 100, 200 meters away. It's very convenient. Of course, we have a pool, it's heated, and it feels like you're on the top of the world, being up here. You have the tennis courts in Puente Romano. We have Novak Djokovic training there all the time. Tons of world-class players are coming to train in Puente Romano. This is the living area of the master suite. So when you enter this gated, fully gated community 24/7 with a guard to enter this urbanization, you have 3 parking spaces below this penthouse, and you can go with the elevator, which is here, all the way up. It's not the biggest gym in the world, but it contains what you actually need. You can do some weights, some cardio, you can do some yoga, you have a shower in here. The idea of waking up here, seeing the ocean as the first thing in the morning, I mean, it can't be better, no? Every day of the week I would choose this penthouse. It's my favorite, all-time favorite.